I will try to guess how much do you make as a Kotlin dev. How does it sound?
Scary.
Let me keep it secret so far.
Well, I don't have data for such experts. I'm raising the bar already. Okay, UK, okay. That's the champion, I believe. F***ing NDA.
So what do you win?
Hello, my name is Kate and I work at Kotlin marketing team. And today at KotlinConf, I'll talk business. Which country do you work in?
UK.
And Portugal. Germany.
Switzerland.
I'm raising the bar already. Okay,
In Amsterdam, so that's the Netherlands.
In Norway.
UK.
UK, okay.
In France.
Spain.
United States.
Let me keep it secret so far.
How long have you been working as a Kotlin dev?
6 years.
I think 8 years approximately.
Almost 9 years, maybe 7-ish years or so.
What kind of Kotlin development do you do? Like server-side, mobile?
8 server side.
Backend.
Android development.
I work on a Compose compiler, so I develop the in the compiler repo itself.
Backend development in a bank.
Server side, mobile.
I'm a front-end developer and I'm an Android developer.
I develop Kotlin, like in Kotlin.
Well, I don't have data for such experts.
Now I do a lot of stuff about tooling and build systems.
Okay, then Germany, 5 years, 6, Android development, and my guess is 70 to 90?
Yeah.
Okay, it's 200k a year gross.
I am from UK. We haven't heard about such big numbers, you understand?
Loading emoji is here. My guess it's from 80 to 100k dollars.
Correct.
Yay! 150k.
I can neither agree nor disagree with you.
In NDA. 70 to 90k a year.
I wish.
From 60 to 70. Woo! 180 200k dollars a year.
Higher.
240 $260 a year.
Higher.
260 280.
Yeah, that's there we are.
100 pounds to 120 pounds a year. Woo! From 110 to 120k dollars a year in Germany for Kotlin development on backend.
No.
130, 150. 180, 200. 220, 240. That's the champion, I believe. 80 to 100k dollars a year
Kind of wonder if you mean after taxes or before taxes.
before taxes.
Then definitely more than that.
60 to 80k,
Yes.
100 to 120.
Higher.
Okay, 120, 140.
Higher.
220, 240.
Close, very close, but a little higher.
240, 260.
Yeah, you got it, yeah.
Congratulations. 90 to 110 euros k gross a year.
Yeah, you got it. You got it. Yeah.
I'm getting really great at this stuff.
So what do you win?
Nothing. So folks, if you had fun today, you definitely don't want to miss what's coming next. We are going to make a lot of videos, educational, pragmatic ones, and of course, fun. So make sure to press the subscribe button. It's not there, it's here, right? And thank you for watching.